This video outlines how you can activate your Procore integration with your CloudX account. From your CloudX homepage, also available under My Devices and Statuses, simply click on the edit icon against the device you wish to activate the integration for. Click on Edit and it will bring up the device edit page, and scroll down to the section Integrations. Simply click Activate, and this will prompt you to log into your Procore account. Simply use your Procore credentials to log in, and you'll be prompted to provide permission, or because I have previously activated this, it has just given us advice up the top here that says it's activated. You'll now see a list of companies you can select from, along with a project and the type of synchronization you wish to do. There are two options here for synchronization. One, only new images, which will only upload new images taken as soon as you've activated the integration, or new and existing, whereby you can select a date range of existing images you would like to upload, plus it will upload all new images from today. Once you've selected that, it's just a matter of coming down the bottom and clicking Update Device. Hope this has been helpful.